Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. Today I want to talk about why some Filipinas are scared to date foreigners. But this one guys, this is only my opinion and not all Filipinas are the same. Reason number 1, some Filipina are afraid of being scammed and lied to. That's the number one reason why Filipina afraid to date foreigners. Reason number 2, language and cultural difference can make communication difficult. Reason number 3, s- some don't trust someone they just meet. They want to know the person first. Reason number 4, some some afraid of leaving the Philippines and being far away of their family, guys. Reason number 5, some simply prefer to date Filipino men. Everyone has their own personal preference. Those are just same of the reason. Every Filipina is different, guys, and everyone has to right choose who they want to date. Thank you everyone to watch this video, and also please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels everyone. Proud to be a Filipina. Thank you. Bye bye.